Well, let's get rolling. I think we should do this one first. Quick and easy. Oh, of course. Series 1, Case 4 of 10, Young Slingers Edition. So, here's a quick look. We got all of our names. All I gotta do is fill in that second line, and then we'll get to the random. So, shall we? Here we go. Case 4 of 10. Oh, and Troy, I do actually check the company emails if you could wish Jennifer a happy birthday for me. That is going to be 64, 71, 45, 59, 33, 24, 5, 17, 97, and 84. Awesome. That sounds like fun. And let's see just how many Allens we can hit here. I would love to get some more. Welcome to Allentown. 84 to get us started. Let's get that spreadsheet filled out. And why not get started with one of those highlighted hits? That's going to be a Joe Burrow. Reactive Orange out of Mosaic. Mint 9 rookie. A near color match Joe Burrow. Sweet. That is going to go in the spreadsheet as a Burrow Mosaic. $97. And why not stick with Mosaic? This time it's going to be a Herbie. Gem Mint 10 rookie. Justin Herbert, Gem Mint 10. That'll go in as Herbie Mosaic, Gem Mint 10. Of course I did, Brad. Oh, dude, we've done so many cards together. 17. Was that out of Hobby or was it out of the Fat Packs? I wasn't sure which ones. Of course, go Bandits. It's win or go home tonight for the Bandits. Man, I hope they pull it off. Oh, don't see this one too much. Enjoy dinner, Troy. Take care. That is going to be a Donruss rookie Burrow. Red Hot Rookies. I actually have not seen that one. Red Hot Joe Burrow. Out of the Fat Pack ones? Yep. I remember. Five. And another gorgeous hit. There he is, finally. Good old Josh Allen. A Mint 9 rated rookie. We're looking for that Gem Mint 10, but I'll take a Mint 9 here. Rated rookie of Josh Allen. That'll go in as an Allen rated rookie, PSA 9. Allen RR PSA 9. In the spreadsheet, Hello? There we go. All right, that is going to be a code. What giveaway is this for? Give me just a second. So whoever gets this card will receive an entry for a chance to win a Luka Doncic jersey, Dominguez card, and a Dominguez card. Cool. But the card you'll be looking to get is a Justin Herbert Chronicles draft picks select red prism. I cannot talk all of a sudden. Jeez. 2020 Panini Chronicles draft picks Justin Herbert select red prism gem mint 10. Draft picks. Coolio. There you go. There's our first Herbie now. Actually, no, what am I saying? Our second one. He's just in his college uniform this time. That'll be a Herbie DP. Come on. DP select. Cool. Again, you'll get that code as well. 33. And another one. That is going to be a Herbie Gem Mint 10 from Illusions. They actually put retail up there. Interesting. Oh my goodness, I'm missing it. Did they start? I can always rewatch the race. Herbert Illusions. I have White Abario. Four more, that's going to be 59. Hopefully so, man. And back to Don Russ. How about a rated rookie, Gem Mint 10? There we are, Joe Burrow, Gem Mint 10. Burrow RR Gem Mint 10. $45. Come on, guys. Last second. Tell me who you guys got. Another hit. Another listed hit. A Gem Mint 10. Kyler Murray. Kyler Murray, Gem Mint 10. Wow. Kyler, Prism, Gem Mint 10. 2 to go. 71. And another rated rookie. That's going to be Justin Herbert. 64. There we go. Last time. And how about one more? Finally, some optic. I love my rated rookies, but I prefer them in optic. Kyler, Gem Mint 10. Another Kyler, Gem Mint 10. Man, that is one of the better cases from Hit Parade I've seen where the entire case felt great. All right. To the random we go. Right, yeah. And shall we? That's going to be 3 times, easy as could be. That is a 1, 2, and 3. And let's do it again. Six. And one more. There we are. Let's match them up. Plenty of rated rookies in this one. What do you guys got? Kevin M., you're going to get that Donruss Red Hot Burrow. Michael C. with that Mosaic Burrow PSA 9. Chad L. Kyler, rated rookie Gem Mint 10. Chris B. with that Kyler Prism Gem Mint 10. Douglas, you got Herbie Draft Pick Select. David M., that Herbie Mosaic Gem Mint 10. Joshua J. with my favorite piece, that Allen rated rookie PSA 9. Joshua, also you got that Herbie Illusions Gem Mint 10 and that rated rookie Gem Mint 10. And Douglas, you're going to round us off with that Burrow rated rookie Gem Mint 10. Plenty of Gem Mint 10s in that case. I will happily run away with that. Couple of nice ones there, including that Mosaic Reactor near color match. Of course, I like my Allen. That Kyler was a nice one. Some sweet pieces there. Where's that optic? The Kyler was an optic. That was another nice one. So, there we guys go. Let me get this uploaded, and we will get to limited soon.